call them ballsy.
Ballsy. There's some people in the comments saying that we could treat our animals a little nicer, but I don't think they realize how...
How do we treat them bad? Fuck, they have a better life than I do.
Yeah. Little brown calf.
Be very careful around that bar.
Okay. Got sprayed some biblical so it doesn't get screw worms.
Yeah, and her.
And her.
Fix his leg up. Is it a male or a female? It's a female. You got balls?
Let's see. Yeah, I think it does.
Good. You want it
Male.
Well, it'll be a little bit of a sheep. Guys, careful of that mama.
Yeah.
Yep, he's a male. We'll call him ballsy.
Ballsy.
We gotta fix this up.
It's got maggots in the knee.
That's why I haven't been able to get him out. I've been spraying it.
There's some people in the comments saying that we could treat our animals a little nicer, but I don't think they realize how...
How do we treat them bad? Fuck, they have a better life than I do.
Yeah.
Oh, poor guys.
I don't understand.
I mean, we could not pour gasoline on their wounds and let the maggots eat them.
Yeah.
If anything, we'll see if she pushes him under here.
Okay.
Because I got it so he can go under. It's gonna be more easy. We're gonna have to probably tie her.
Alright.
That was nice. Trying, man. Look at this asshole. Oh.
Ooh. Squash the baby. Hey, buddy. What breed? Brahmin Allure? Or?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Not as thick as the other baby. That they just had. Still looks healthy. There's these calves. Morning, girls. Buddy. No more corn than that.
I haven't.
Her sister, yeah. Oof.
But, I mean, she's about half as wild.
Yeah, it's really hard to tell if there's some screw worms.
If it's dry, then there's no. I mean, if it's wet.
No, it looks wet. It's for sure wet.
Yeah. Oh.
She's pretty calm.
Till we get inside the other side.
Yeah. I got it good.
Give it a second.
Yep. I sprayed it real good, but I still see rat, obviously.
Oh, girl. Whoa. Over there, spray that calf really good.
Yeah.
Hurry, because my forearms are starting to cramp up.
Yep.
All good. All right, try spraying her all over that road. See if you see any maggots coming out.
I don't see any maggots.
Good. Whoa, 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 girl. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is it good?
Yeah. Good thing there weren't any maggots in there.
You don't think so?
I don't think so. Unless they're far in deep and they didn't come out when I sprayed them for some reason. Just kind of rare.
Can you run in there? Oh, you're gonna have to give her this food in that trough.
Okay.
Oh, all the tractor. Hey. Come here, girl. Come here. What do you got? Come here. Let me see your little calf. Ooh, he's a pretty calf. Yeah, he is a pretty calf. He's a pretty calf. Hey, girl. She's on to you.
Yeah.
Hey, girl. Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh. Come here, girl. All right. She don't mind that. Don't want you near her cow. Well, I hope she don't have maggots.
I didn't see any come out.
Yeah, I haven't really ever seen any, but it's not healing. Yeah, it keeps licking it. Maybe now that she got something else to lick. Well, that was a chore and a half.
Yeah.
Well, now we got a rope on her horns, so we can
Yeah.
kind of pull her and stuff.
That's good.